Now in this video, we're going to answer the following question. Evaluate. And we've been given the expression 2.17 divided by 3.5. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, sharing this video, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. We can divide two decimals by removing the decimal point from the divisor and turning the question into whole number division, while keeping the decimal point of the number we are dividing in the same position. We can do this by multiplying both numbers by the same multiple of 10. Multiplying a decimal by a multiple of 10, such as 10, 100, or 1000, shifts the digits to the left of the decimal point, the objective being to turn the number we are dividing by into a whole number. The number inside the division bracket can still be a decimal, but the number we are dividing by must always be a whole number. When we're deciding which multiple of 10 we need to multiply both numbers by, the divisor is the number that we need to pay most attention to. Answering this question is a three-step process. First, we need to determine which multiple of 10 we need to multiply both numbers by. Then, multiply them and use traditional methods of division to divide the numbers. We've been asked to divide 2.17 by 3.5. To begin, we are dividing by the decimal 3.5. 3.5 has one digit after the decimal point. That means we need to multiply it by 10 so that it becomes a whole number. And 3.5 multiplied by 10 is 35. But we need to multiply both numbers by 10, and 2.17 multiplied by 10 is 21.7. So the question now becomes 21.7 divided by 35. We can divide 21.7 by 35 using a traditional division method. 21.7 is the number inside the division bracket, and 35 is the number outside. 35 does not divide into 2, so we need to put a 0 above the 2 digit and carry 2 to the next column, giving us 21. 35 doesn't divide into 21 either, so we need to put another 0 above the 1 digit and carry 21 to the next column, giving us 217. The decimal point stays in the same position, and 35 divides into 217 6 times. So we need to put a 6 above the 7 digit. 6 multiplied by 35 is 210, giving us a remainder of 7, which we carry to the next column, giving us 70. And finally, 35 divides into 70 twice, so we need to put a 2 above the 0 digit. There is no remainder, so the division calculation is finished, giving us the answer 0.62. As an extension to this question, try dividing 3.5 by 2.17. What multiple of 10 do we need to multiply both decimals by? Drop your answer in the comments. So the solution to this decimal division and the answer to this question is 0.62. Read our blog at mathsdepot.com for more maths content.